Hello.
Hey there, it's just Nathan. I work with a few cash buyers in the area. Do you have any property you might want to sell?
Cash buyers. Yeah, I have several listings I could show. Are they local or the clients, or where are they?
Our cash buyers are local and they're interested in properties in this area. Can you tell me the address of the property you're looking to sell?
Nathan, who do you represent?
Oh, we don't really have a company. We're just a small and local family within the area looking to purchase properties.
Are you local to Savannah?
Absolutely. We're based in Savannah as well.
What's your email address?
Oh, we don't really have an email address. We prefer to have a conversation over the phone. It's more personal that way. Is there a property you're interested in selling or any specific questions you have?
Well, I have several sellers I represent, so that's why I'm asking, what price range and what are they looking for?
If you don't mind, could you tell me a little bit more about the properties you have and what the sellers are looking for? That way I can better understand their needs and see if we might be a good fit.
I have a 3-bedroom with a unfinished bonus room upstairs, subbed out for. It's about 3,300 heated square feet, and if you added the bonus room, that's another 650 feet. So it has the potential to do that. It's all brick homes, custom built. They were transferred to upstate, and I have it listed for 1.185. Is that within the range of where some of your clients would be interested?
Wow, that sounds like a spacious and well-built home. With approximately 300-400 heated square feet and the potential to add another 650 square feet with the bonus room, it definitely offers a lot of space. As for the price, I'll have to check with my partner to see if it falls within the range that our clients would be interested in. Would it be all right if I took this information to my partner and got back to you with their feedback?
That's fine. I would appreciate that. Sure.
Perfect. I'll take all the details you've provided and discuss them with my partner. We'll run the numbers and see if this property aligns with our client's interests. Are you more available in the afternoon for a follow-up call?
Yes, that's fine. Sure.
Awesome. Does tomorrow work for you? We have a 2 o'clock and a 4 o'clock available. Which one of those time slots works better for you?
2 o'clock would be better.
Got it. I have you penciled in for tomorrow at 2 o'clock. My partner will reach out to you at that time to discuss further. Thank you for your time and have a great rest of your day.
Thank you. You too. Bye-bye.